Hi, my name is Jennifer Medina, and I'm currently in CCN's cybersecurity internship working alongside the Security Operations Center at North Carolina's Department of IT. Before this internship, I had just completed Wake Tech's Sentinel Cybersecurity Bootcamp, and I was looking for something that will continue to allow me to learn and give me experience and allow me to be hands-on. So once I found out about this internship, it was a perfect opportunity for me to be able to do that, to continue to learn, but while also getting hands-on experience. Well, prior to this internship, I had actually completed CCN's SOC internship
Mhm.
and CCN's Cyber Safe Communities internship. And I want to say that both did help contribute to preparing me for this current internship. In each internship, I learned a different set of skills from each, and I have been able to use those skills now in my current SOC internship. What excites me the most is being able to contribute meaningfully, to be able to actually, mitigate real world cybersecurity threats. For other students, I would tell them to definitely get involved, to take advantage of the opportunities of the internships that CCM provides. Well, what I have been learning throughout my internship is the same work that I will continue doing. So it definitely allowed me the opportunity to learn and get that experience to be able to continue and contribute to the same work I've been doing. Certainly, I have to mention Mr. Sandelio Colba. He's actually the one who introduced me to CCN, and he gave me the push to pursue the CCN internships from the beginning.